Congratulations on your new Gaggia Espresso Evolution. In this guide, you'll learn about the parts of the machine, their functions, and how to quickly set it up, make espresso, froth milk to make a cappuccino, and produce hot water from the machine to make an Americano. In the box with the Gaggia Espresso Evolution is a double spout portafilter, single and double shot pressurized filter baskets, the pod system ring, Panarello steam wand attachment, and a tamper spoon. On top of the machine is a cup warming surface. Across the front are rubberized buttons controlling the main power, brewing, and steam. The knob on the side opens a valve to release steam when the steam light is on or hot water when it is not. On the right side of the machine is the water reservoir, and a removable drip tray slides into place under the spouts. To start up the machine for the first time, remove and rinse the reservoir with cool water. Once rinsed, fill the reservoir with cool water and replace in the machine. When replacing, be sure to guide both hoses fully into the reservoir. Place a receptacle under the steam wand and press the power button, which will then start flashing. Turn the steam knob and water will dispense from the wand. Once all three lights on the front of the machine are flashing simultaneously, turn the steam knob to close. The power light goes solid and the brew light begins to flash, indicating the machine is heating up. Once the middle brew light is lit solid, the machine is ready to brew. If brewing with pre-ground espresso, first be sure that the coffee being used is denoted as espresso ground and is a fine grind size. It is recommended to preheat the portafilter before brewing. To do this, simply attach the portafilter and press the brew button and allow some hot water to run through it. Wipe it dry and then add the coffee. Using the tamper spoon, add 1 level scoop if using the single shot basket or 2 if using the double. Flip the scoop over and press down the grounds with a tamper base. Reattach the portafilter to the machine and place 1 or 2 cups under the spouts. Press the brew button to begin brewing. The Gaggia Espresso Evolution has an automatic pre-infusion function. So once brewing starts, the pump will run, then briefly stop. Then begin again. Once the desired amount of espresso is reached, press the brew button again to stop brewing. Remove the portafilter, discard the spent grounds, and wipe clean the portafilter and shower screen. If using pre-dosed pod filters for espresso, use only the single-dose basket. Preheat the portafilter like before by running hot water through it and wiping it dry. Then add the pod. Be sure that the paper filter of the pod does not stick out from the top of the basket. Add the pod system ring on top of the pod and attach the portafilter to the machine and brew as usual, removing the pod system before discarding the pod when finished. If a milk-based drink like a cappuccino is desired, steaming some milk for that espresso is next in order. Press the steam button to begin raising the temperature of the machine to produce steam. The steam light will flash while heating up and will be lit solid when ready. Prepare some milk in a frothing pitcher to steam. Once the light is lit solid, place an empty vessel under the steam wand and turn the steam knob to open the valve and purge the water from the steam system. Once only steam is being produced, close the steam valve, position the milk frothing pitcher under the steam wand, and submerge the tip of the wand into the milk. Open the steam valve to begin frothing. Once the amount of desired milk foam is reached, lift the pitcher to fully submerge the steam wand into the milk to continue heating the milk without adding additional foam. Continue steaming until the sides of the pitcher become a little too hot to hold on to. At that point, the milk is around 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. If hotter milk is desired, simply steam for longer. Turn the steam knob closed when finished and then remove the pitcher. Always wipe clean the Panarello wand after steaming and open the steam valve briefly to purge any excess milk from the steam wand. Before combining the milk with the espresso, swirl or tap the pitcher to break up any larger bubbles, then pour it in slowly and enjoy. To return to brewing mode, press the steam button. The brew and steam lights will flash until the machine has cooled back down to brewing temperature. This process can be accelerated by opening the steam valve until the pump stops running. The Gaggia Espresso Evolution can also dispense hot water to prepare drinks like an Americano. To make an Americano, prepare an espresso. While still in brew mode, place the cup under the steam wand and open the steam valve to add hot water. Another key feature of the Gaggia Espresso Evolution is the programmable Memo Function. With this function, the brew button can be programmed to dispense water for a specific period of time. To set up the Memo Function, prepare a shot of espresso as usual. When activating the brew, press and hold the brew button and release it once the desired amount of espresso is brewed. The 3 lights on the front of the machine will flash in sequence to show that the setting has been changed. Now that the Memo Function is set, normal brewing will automatically stop at that programmed time. To disable the Memo Function, press and hold the power button until all lights turn off. Upon releasing, the lights will flash in sequence to confirm the settings change. For additional information on operating and maintaining your Gaggia Espresso Evolution, see the operating instructions book which came with the machine. For technical assistance, contact your Gaggia authorized dealer.